What's up, guys? AK Crazy Russian. Today, repair. So let's hit the top camera button. This is LH100, discontinued at this point, and it's replaced with this LH101. I really like it. Couple of issues here, but it's not I'm talking about. Just like if you here I can press one easily, here I need to hold it. That's okay, but that's the new LED is all that jazz. I will do detailed review. I already did, but like how to operate. So this is probably, see, numbers kind of faded. Oh boy, this is probably 2003, 2004, from our local customer, original. So I think I repair a couple of times cord, at least twice, because it's usually bending here, and it just disintegrated. So first, the display issues. If you see like this, display kind of not in place, and I'll show you on my unit here. Oops. Try to catch. Sorry about that. Bunch of wires. Yeah. That's how it's supposed to be. So it's absolutely like flat. It's operational, but when I open, I'll show you. See, it's absolutely connected. I should say it's older technology. Means the Lenz designed it in 1993, so it's almost more than 25 years old. The idea of it, but it's still working great. So you don't need really. Which number? I think it's. This. Check this out. T8? I think it's T8. Yeah, so you really don't need holding anything. It just like sits. Maybe first time, but I opened it a couple of times, so you just unscrew it. The latest models, they came with just regular Phillips. How about this guy? Yeah, this guy, the new guy, Phillips, and latest models, like probably after 2007, they just put Phillips. Screws. Probably will be in two parts. First, I just want to determine what's wrong with it. Well, I know what's wrong, but maybe something else. Also, he said pads is not really responding. The button's not responding very well. Needs probably do something about it. All right, so take this and I just put it like that. Okay. So what we see here is the display, and that's how Lenz old days using glue gun did it, but we just keep going. Phillips. Okay, a little bit longer, but that's okay. All right, have a small container here. Okay, put this, keep your guys workbench clean. Also, kind of those thingies just going straight to them. I think they have yeah, they have like small area on these guys, but it's so fragile, just a little bit unusual. Yeah, so we have like 5 screws actually, and washers, watch for them. This guy right here. Okay, and this is just recording. I'm not going to do edit. You can, yeah, 2005, so I missed like what, I said 2004. It's yeah, 15 years old. Okay, easy peasy. All right. Yeah, we'll do 2 parts, definitely. Just first. Also, who wants to know how it's like looks like? Yeah, definitely needs to clean. See all that stuff. And I think I did it already, but you know, when you operate a lot, that's what's happened. I think this time I'm going to, the problem can be, so display completely fell off, for example, right? And that's what's happened, I think, first time. One of those finally kind of completely disintegrated. Yeah, the wires kind of bent it, you know. And this time I'm going to get rid of all that stuff and put my new, I should say even better, material. My sticks better, and it's just different color, probably better quality, you know. So this is it. That's the pad. I need to clean, and I need to clean everything here. I'll probably do it offline, guys. Yeah, well, I'm just using rubbing alcohol, 90%, clean everything, and the board as well. And I'll see you in next video when I'm going to assemble it, and we'll test it. Alright, that will be all for today. Thanks for watching and supporting business and channel. Have a good one. Bye bye.